So we have built an agent for escalator for travel and hospitality industry. So I'll be telling you today Kizzy Travels. So what Kizzy Travel does is it helps you plan your entire trip from end to end, from your booking of your attractions, hotels, flights, helping you search for some good Italian restaurants, for example, some great pubs. So let's maybe plan a trip for New York today, and let's find some good attractions in New York. So we have this agent called Travel Whisper. It'll help us plan everything today. So let's ask you, can you help me plan a trip to New York? There you go. It takes about a minute. It says, are you sure you want to plan a travel to New York? If so, can I help you with some tourist attractions? Yes, please help me with tourist attractions. Let's start some tourist attractions. So it kind of picks up the top tourist attractions basis on the ratings. So we have integrated it with different platforms, and it pulls up probably the top 8, 9, 10 recommendations, whatever we configure it for, right? Now it says, would you also like to explore curated travel experiences, accommodations, food and dining, nature, sports activities, outdoor adventures, and everything and anything you would like to have. Maybe relaxation if you want to relax in a trip, right? So I also would like to know the weather, right? So or maybe I want to find out some Italian restaurants now. Can you help me with some good Italian restaurants in New York? So I love Italian. I want some Italian restaurants. It will help me find that as well. So it has given me some highly rated Italian restaurants in New York with the rating. So you can probably check it out. I've personally been to a couple of these, so these are really the ones that are like top picks from New York. So it says, would you like to have any of them booked? I would say no. I'll probably check once I'm there. So let me also check the weather. So, how's the weather like in New York? It picks up the weather. It is showing me the weather for the week. Today is May 5th. So, from May 5th till the May 9th, it has shown me the weather and said travel advisory, be prepared for rain showers throughout the week, right? And then it says, would you also like to explore some curated travel experiences, or do you need anything else? I would say, okay, can you help me book a hotel? So now what will happen is it will get lead in the system basis my name, right? And then the sales agent can kind of reach out, or an SDR agent kind of gets activated, and it will start spitting out emails or itinerary for me. Now it says for me to proceed, right? It will need my email. So I am John, right? Let me pull out my email. I'm John Jacob. I'm John Jacob, and my phone number is. I'm just copy pasting it from my notes. So this is my phone number. So it says, "Thank you, John. We have noted your travel interest, and we'll be in touch with you. Reach out on this number." Now let's switch to the Salesforce, right? So let me take you there. Here's our Salesforce. We'll go to our leads, and let's see. There's a lead created by John Jacob, and it pulls in my details. I work in University of Arizona, and if you look at it out here, right, it will say planning a trip to New York, interested in tourist attractions, Italian restaurants, and hotel booking. So this gives the agent an insight on what I want, and they can create my experiences and my itinerary closer to some good Italian restaurants, maybe some pubs if I search for pubs. If I want to go for outdoor activities, it will also kind of give a summary of the entire chat here. So this is one of the agents that we had built, and we are building many more, and it is all in process. So maybe shortly you'll see more videos like this. Thanks.